The great adventure of a tiny trip. Imagine being as small as a toy car. Life would be a big adventure. You would have to be careful so no one would step on you. You would have to watch out for big animals like cats and dogs. They would seem like giants. But think of all the fun things you could do. You could live in a dollhouse or even a shoebox. A bottle cap would be your plate. You could wear doll's clothes. A stamp would be a beautiful picture for your wall. You could hide in a tiny mouse hole or a drawer. You wouldn't need much food. Crumbs from the table would be a feast. A thimble would be a perfect cup for you. Outside, the grass would look like a tall jungle. A big beetle would look like a monster. A puddle would seem as big as an ocean. You could sail across the puddle in a paper cup. A spoon would be your oar. A matchbox would be a cozy bed. A soft handkerchief would be your blanket. Being small could be fun, but it could also be scary. I think I like being my size the best.